Hey everybody, it's Neil and we are getting ready for a hot day on the lake. It's a hot night, but I'm going to show you guys this hat that I got here. This is by Home Prefer, and it is a nice hat that kind of protects you from the sun in the front and the back. So you have your, put it on here, look at that. So it's got the thing that comes down here. So I do have a swimsuit on. So it'll keep you, keep the sun off your neck. So if you get a burned neck, this is good to have. And then you've got the nice white brim here, and it's pretty lightweight. If you look at it here, you can see it's nice and lightweight, and it has the breathable little holes in here, and it's also got a tightener here. So it's pretty much a one size fits all. I can put it on. If it gets windy, I just have to cinch up the little back here, and then it's gonna stay on me. So it's good for windy days, for non-windy days, just for casual, for whatever. It is safe in the sun. It's UPF 50 fabric too, so there we go. And then when you're done with this, if you don't want to have the little flap hanging down, it's got a little pouch back here. Like, how cool is this? So you put that little thing in the pouch, and now I just have a bucket hat without that. So kind of good. So you could have without that if you don't want to look goofy or whatever. I don't know, I just leave it back down all the time, but I like it. Thumbs up for me.